10:45. Yeah, so we're not doing the full trail, but I guess depending on how much trash we have, I'd bring some extras actually.
So Juno.
Hey, what's going on?
Why are we out here today?
We're out here to pick up some trash.
Where are we?
We're in Castlewood State Park here in Missouri.
So why'd you decide to do this, man?
I don't know. I feel like we hike these trails all the time, and like we notice all this trash around, and it's not cool. So I feel like we should take some time out of our day to come out here and pick up some trash.
Love it.
Oh. I thought I had a good game plan here.
Here, hold on. I found this. I found this. Oh, you got it. Never mind.
Hey, Michael.
Hi. That is dedication right there.
Dedication. Wow.
So what do we got going on here, Tara?
Oh, like the biggest chair. I don't know. Yes. Oh, look. Yay.
Incredible. Incredible. That is dedication. Really.
Take your chairs with you, please.
I don't think I can get this.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
Like, no.
Yes. Yeah. Whoa.
Worth it.
Wow.
It's something how they're anyway.
Oh, hello.
That's not live runner.
Yeah.
Do you think you can stand for
It's kind of loud. Woo!
Here, sit on it. Sit on that tire. I can do that. Smile. I know. I just. Oh yeah, thanks a lot
Same
for
time
coming,
next month,
guys.
right? Sure.
Yeah.
I can be here.
If you have any suggestions, or if you're going for a hike or anywhere and you notice a bunch of trash, just hit up the group. Yeah, nice to meet you guys too. No, seriously.
Anybody want some hand sanitizer? Well, yeah, I have it.